Hello students, hi everyone, welcome to Power Education with Brijesh Misra, and today I am going to tell you the third question of exercise 2.5 from the chapter Polynomials. So now let's see the first part. 9x square plus 6xy plus y square, and now here using the identities a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to a plus b whole square. Now in this question using these identities, now the given expression is in the form of this. So now see, first of all we have to see which two terms is the perfect square. So now see, 9x square we can write 3x whole to the power 2, and now see y square we can write here y whole to the power 2. It means it is clear that this is in the form of a square plus b square. It means the a equal to 3x and b equal to y, and now it means the third term it should be 2ab. So now we can write 2a equal to 3x and b equal to y, and now multiply to each other and see this value will be equal to 6xy or not. So now see, 2 3 is 6xy. So now here it is equal to 6xy. It means a square plus 2ab plus b square. So now see, this expression is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, and we know that this expression will be equal to a plus b whole to the power 2. So now we can write here a 3x plus b is here y, so 3x plus y whole to the power 2, and now we can write whole to the power 2, we can write 2 times 3x plus y, 3x plus y. So now this is your answer. See the second part, 4y square minus 4y plus 1, and now we have to factorize it. So now similarly the same way we can write here 4y, this is the square of 2y whole to the power 2. At the place of 1 we can write 1 whole to the power 2. And now see, this is in the form of a square plus b square. It means this term should be minus 2ab. So now see, minus 2, a equal to 2y into b equal to 1, and now multiply to each other and see this value will be equal to minus 4y or not. So now minus 2 into 2, 4 into 1 minus 4y. It means this value will be equal to minus 4y. So it means it is clear that this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So now we can write a plus b whole square, so a equal to 2y, sorry, a minus b whole square, so 2y minus 1 whole to the power 2, and now we can write 2y minus 1, 2y minus 1, and now this is your answer. Here using the identities a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to a minus b whole to the power 2. Now see the third part, x square minus y square upon 100. So now see, we can write at the place of x square x whole to the power 2 minus y square upon 100, we can write y upon 10 whole to the power 2. And now see, this is in the form of a square minus b square, and we know that identity is a square minus b square equal to a minus b in second bracket a plus b. So now see, this expression is in the form of a square minus b square, and the factor of a square minus b square equal to a minus b, a plus b. So now see, factorize it. So this is the a equal to x and b equal to y upon 10. a minus b, it means x minus y upon 10, in second bracket x plus y upon 10. And now this is your answer. See the fourth question. Expand each of the following using suitable identities. And now the questions is given that. So now see the first part. The first part is given that x plus 2y plus 4z whole to the power 2. And now see, this expression is in the form of a plus b plus c whole to the power 2. And we know that a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So now comparing these identities, the given question. So now at the place of a, here is x, b is 2y and c is 4z. So now using these identities, expand it, this whole square. So now a square, a means x square plus b square, b is 2y, 2y whole to the power 2 plus c square, c is 4z, so 4z whole square plus 2ab, so 2 into a into b, x into 2y plus 2bc, so 2 into 2y into 4z plus 2ca, so 2 into c into a, 4z into x, so 4z into x. And now simplify this to x square, as it is x square, 2y whole to the power 2. So now we get 4y square plus 4z whole to the power 2, 16z square. And now multiply this, 2 into x into 2y, 2 to the 4 xy plus 2 to the 4, 4 4 the 16 yz, so 16 yz plus 2 into 4 8 into z into x, yani 8zx, 8zx. So now this is your answer. See the second part of the fourth question, 2x minus y plus z whole square. And now here is given that this expression is in the form of a minus b plus c whole to the power 2. But we know that the formula a plus b plus c whole square. And here is a minus b plus c whole to the power 2. So first of all we will convert a plus b plus c whole to the power 2. So now here 2x plus and this minus y separated plus z, and now this is the whole power 2. And now see, a equal to 2x and b equal to minus y and c equal to z whole to the power 2, and a plus b plus c whole to the power 2. And now expand it using the formula a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So now comparing this, to a equal to 2x, b equal to minus y and c equal to z. So a square 2x whole to the power 2 plus b square, so b equal to minus y whole to the power 2 plus c square z whole to the power 2 plus 2ab, so 2 into a into b, 2x into minus y plus 2bc, so 2 into b into c minus y into z, so minus y into z plus 2ca, so 2 into c into a, z into 2x. And now simplify this, 2x whole to the power 2, it will be 4x square plus minus y whole to the power 2, it will be plus y square plus z square, and now 2 to the 4 plus minus minus 4xy, and now here 2 into minus y into z, so plus minus 2yz plus 2 into z into 2x, so 2 to the 4 plus 4zx, and now this is your answer. Now see the third part. Here is minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole to the power 2, and now see this is in the form of minus a plus b plus c whole to the power 2. So now here similarly we can express in the form of a plus b plus c whole square. So now we can write minus 2x right in bracket plus b 3y plus c 2z whole to the power 2. And now see this is in the form of a plus b plus c whole to the power 2. The a equal to minus 2x plus b 3y and plus c is 2z. So now expand it. The a square minus 2x whole to the power 2 plus b square 3y whole to the power 2 plus c square 2z whole square plus 2ab, 2 into this minus 2x into 3y plus 2bc, so 2 into b into c, 3y into 2z, 3y into 2z plus 2ca, so 2 into c into a, 2z into minus 2x, and now simplify this. Minus 2x whole to the power 2, we get 4x square, 3y whole to the power 2, 9y square plus 2z whole to the power 2, 4z square, and now see plus minus 2 to the 4, 3 is 12 minus 12xy, and now see 2 3 is 6, 2 is 12 plus 12yz plus minus 2 to the 4, 2 is 8 minus 8zx. So now this is your answer. See the fourth part. 3a minus 7b minus c whole to the power 2. Now again here we will express in the terms of a plus b plus c whole to the power 2. So now convert it. So we can write 3a plus minus 7b plus c, to plus minus c whole to the power 2. And now see this is in the form of a plus b plus c whole to the power 2. A equal to 3a, b equal to minus 7b and c equal to minus c. So now using the identities a square to 3a whole to the power 2 plus b square to b minus 7b whole to the power 2 plus c square, c is minus c whole to the power 2 plus 2ab, so 2 into a into b, 3a into minus 7b plus 2bc, so 2 into b minus 7b into c minus c plus 2ca, so 2 into c minus c into a, 3a. And now simplify this. So 3a whole to the power 2, 9a square minus 7b whole square, 49b square minus c whole to the power 2 plus c square, and now see here plus minus 2 3 is 6, 6 7 is 42 ab, and now see here minus plus, to plus 2 7 is 14 bc, and now see here plus minus 2 3 is 6 ca, so minus 6 ca. So now this is your answer. See the fifth part, minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole to the power 2. So now here the same way, now we will express in the form of a plus b plus c whole to the power 2. So now we can write minus 2x plus 5y plus minus 3z whole to the power 2. Now we will write like this. And now see, this is in the form of a plus b plus c whole to the power 2. A equal to minus 2x and b equal to 5y and c equal to minus 3z. So now a square minus 2x whole to the power 2 plus b square 5y whole to the power 2 plus c square minus 3z whole square plus 2ab. So 2 into a into b minus 2x into 5y. So minus 2x into 5y plus 2bc. So 2 into b into c 5y into minus 3z plus 2ca. So 2 into c into a. So minus 3z into minus 2x. And now simplify this. So minus 2x whole to the power 2, 4x square, 5y whole to the power 2, 25y square, minus 3z whole square, 9z square. And now see here plus minus, minus 2 to the 4, 5 the 20xy. And now see here plus minus minus 2 5 the 10, 3 the 30 yz. And now see here minus minus plus, so 2 3 the 6, 2 the 12 zx. And now this is your answer. See the sixth part, 1 upon 4a minus 1 upon 2b plus 1 whole to the power 2. So now see, again here we will convert into a plus b plus c whole to the power 2. So now we can write 1 by 4a plus minus half b plus 1 whole to the power 2. And now using the identities, so now here a equal to 1 by 4a, b equal to minus 1 upon 2b and c equal to 1. So a square 1 upon 4a whole to the power 2 plus b square minus 1 by 2b whole to the power 2 plus c square 1 square plus 2ab. So 2 into a into b 1 upon 4a into minus half b plus 2bc. So 2 into b into c minus half b into 1 plus 2ca. 2 into c 1 into 1 by 4a. 1 into 1 by 4a. And now simplify this 1 by 4a whole to the power 2. So we can write 1 upon 16a square plus minus half b whole to the power 2. So 1 upon 4 b square plus 1 square 1. And now see, simplify it, 2 to the 4. So now plus minus minus and now multiply to each other. So minus 1 upon 4ab. And now here plus minus minus 2 to cancel out, b into 1 minus b. And here 2 to the 4. So now here 1 upon 2a. So now this is your answer. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel Power Education with Brijesh Misra. Thank you. Bye bye.